Clear.
Cleared? If you have doubt, please ask. Anyone? Okay. Next one. Next one is or. In case of or, when both the conditions are false, or you can say both the expressions are false, then result is false, otherwise result is true. So true, true, true. First one true, second one is false, then again it is true, then first one is false and second one is true, then result is true, and both are false, then you say that it is false. Now same here, last two lines. If your first expression is false, sorry, first operand you can say, or first expression you say it is false, and second one is an act as an expression, then result is expression. It is reverse of and. Reverse of and. Here first is true and second one is expression, then result is true. Now see with some example. If I am writing this 0 or 6, so what is the result? 6, because of this statement. First one is false and second one is my expression, then result is expression. Means second one value कुछ भी हो सकती है, either number or string, floating point number, whatever. So according to this, it will display second one value. Or if your first value is true and second one is an expression, so it will return answer first one. Like 5 or 6 means both are true, but it will return answer first one because here first value is true. Now it is clear? It is clear? Give response.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Now last one
Yes,
is
sir.
last one case is very good. Last one case is not. In that we need only one operand. So if operand is false, so it will convert to true, and if our operand is true, then result is false. I hope this one topic is cleared. Logical operator. In logical operator we have three operators: and, or, not. Okay, logical and, logical or, logical not. Any confusion? Vyom, any confusion you have? Vyom Dingra, any confusion? Give reply. Unmute yourself and reply me.
Sir, in or part I have confusion. That or part.
Or part. What the type confusion you have?
Sir, if the operator that true is, then how can be sir result true?
If the first operand is true and second one operand is either true or false or expression. First
Sir,
is
expression.
Achha, in this line, na? In this line.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Give any value. Vyom, you give any value. In that
Sir,
case,
0 and 6.
but
0 and 6.
if you are giving 0 or 6, that means this first part is false, or you are asking for true value. Okay, so we need first as a true. So in that case, instead of that, you can take value like 7 or 0. So means that here first value is true. Here 0 represent false and non-zero. Non-zero means either number is positive or number is in negative. That means true. So here 7 act as a true and 0 means false. So if we are having first operand as true and second one is an expression or maybe a false value, so it always give first result. First result means it will give answer 7.
Okay, sir.
Clear? Or if you are having like first is 7 and second one is hello, like this, both are true, so result is 7 only because first one is true value. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
yes,
only 0 will be false value.
yes, only 0 is false and remaining others non-zero values are true.
Okay, sir.
Next is assignment operator. Next is a assignment operator. Assignment operators are used to perform arithmetic operations while assigning a value to a variable. In that we have already understood this topic, arithmetic operation. ठीक है, plus, minus, multiply, divide, for division or exponent we have done. So assignment operators are used to perform arithmetic operation and then assign the value like this. Equal to, operator name is equal to, so equal to act as a assignment operator. Then y equals to a plus b. See the example. A equals to 10 is given and b equals to 20 is given, then result is 30. Means first it will perform arithmetic operation like 10 plus 20, and after that, after performing this, it will assign the result to variable y according to this assignment operator. The result is 30. Now next one case, plus equals to. Plus equals to, you can say that it is a shorthand operator. See with the help of example. If I am writing m equals to 25, m equals to 15 like this, m equals to 15, and then m plus equals to 10. What is the meaning of this? Meaning of this, like m equals to m plus 10. Clear? When we expand this operator, plus equals to, it look like this, m equals to m plus 10. This means first it will take the value of m. So now the value of m is 15. It will add with 10 and result will assign in variable m. So 15 plus 10 means 25. 25 will store in variable m. So answer is 25. Now see the answer, 25. See here, m plus equals to 10. Here the value of m equals to 15. Already given m equals to 15. So when we expand this one operator, so it will act as a m equals to m plus 10. That means the 15 plus 10 result is 25. 25 after operation, it will assign 25 to the variable m. Similarly, minus equals to. If I am writing minus equals to, m equals to 15, then m minus equals to 5. Suppose that. So what is the answer? 10. Why? Because of this. It write like this, m equals to m minus 5. Clear? Similarly, next one, multiply. देखो, m multiply equals to 10. That means m equals to m multiply 10, 150. Then m divide equals to m divide equals to 10. That means m equals to m divided by 10. Result is 1.5. Clear? Because in the case of division, it will return answer in floating point, means decimal में देगा answer. So 1.5 is our answer. Then modulus equals to m modulus equals to 10. That means m equals to m modulus 10. Result is 5. Why? Because 15 modulus 10, 15 modulus 10, we will get 5 as a remainder. In case of modulus, it will return remainder. So remainder means 5. 5 will our answer. Then mod exponent equals to m exponent equals to 2. That means m equals to m exponent 2. That means m square. So result is 225, because 15 ka square is 225. Is it clear or not? The last one is floor division. So it will give answer 1 only, because 10 1 ja 10. Quotient is our 1. Is it clear? Assignment operator. Any confusion, please ask. I will explain with the help of example in Python. Please
last one.
last one, this one. M equals to this one, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See here, M equals to 15. Then M equals to M floor division 10. That means floor division always divide. Okay, but it will return answer in terms of quotient. So here 15 floor division 10, that means 10 1 ja 10 and remainder is 5. So 1 is a quotient, 1 is quotient and 5 is remainder. So it will give answer 1. Is it clear?
Yes.
Any other confusion in that? Anyone? If you have any confusion, please ask. Remaining students. Anjali, Divya, sorry, Diya, Smith, Lakshya, Ojasvi, Shruti, Ujjwal, Vyom, Yatharth. Any confusion? Rahul?
No, sir.
No. Next one. Bitwise operator. Bitwise operator are used to perform operation at binary digit level. Means, as a name suggests, bit. Bit means one bit at a time. ठीक है, अभी लिखा बिट वाइज ऑपरेटर्स. क्लियर? सो बाइनरी डिजिट लेवल पर ये ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करेगा. बिट वाइज ऑपरेटर आर यूज्ड टू परफॉर्म ऑपरेशन एट बाइनरी डिजिट लेवल. दीज ऑपरेटर्स आर नॉट कॉमनली यूज्ड एंड आर यूज्ड ओनली इन स्पेशल एप्लीकेशंस. ये यहाँ पर यूज नहीं होंगे, लेकिन हम फिर भी पढ़ेंगे थोड़ा बहुत. ठीक है, तो इन दैट वी हैव बिटवाइज एंड, बिटवाइज और, बिटवाइज एक्सक्लूसिव और, बिटवाइज इनवर्स मींस कॉम्प्लीमेंट, एंड देन bitwise left shift or bitwise right shift. One by one we have to discuss this one. Now bitwise and, this is same as AND operator. Look this definition. If you are having true value, first is true and second one is true, result is true and remain all are false. Any confusion? Please ask. इसमें कुछ नहीं है, ये आपने AND में पढ़ा था. If both are true, result is true and remain all are false. और कुछ नहीं है. Next, in case of or, in case of or, when both are false, then is only it is false. Otherwise, it will true. देखो, true true true, true false true, false true true, and false false false. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one, XOR. XOR, this topic you have read in chapter Boolean algebra. देखो, when first is true, second is true, result is false, and last one, first one is false, second one is false, result is false, and first one is true, second one is false, result is true. When first is false, second one is true, result is true. That means when both are true or both are false, then only it is false. When both are true in this case, or when both are false in this case, last one, first one or last one, then only it is false. First, for when both inputs are true or both inputs are false, then result is false, otherwise it is true. Or it is clear or not? XOR, exclusive or.
Yes, sir.
This topic you have to recall in Boolean algebra. We have discussed this topic in Boolean algebra also. ठीक है, नहीं आएगा फिर पूछ लेना आप लोग. Then bitwise not same as not operator. True को false and false को true, nothing else. कोई change नहीं है इनमें. Now come here, bitwise left shift. This is an important topic. Bitwise shift left shift. If we are having input like a equals to 10, number is a equals to 10. So its binary value is like this: 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0, because this is a 8-bit number. 8-bit number, तो 10 को तो आप लिखते हो 1 0 1 0. 10 is written like this: 1 0 1 0. This is 10 ना, 1 0 1 0.
Yes, sir.
or before that you have to add 40, then it become 8 digit number, 8 bits. ठीक है, तो 4 जीरो ऐड कर लिए. अब लिखा है a left shift 2. Left shift 2 means we want to shift 2 bits to the left hand side. So shift this 0. जैसे ये 2 0 है ये आगे चले जाएगा. Then next 1 0 move, ये हो गया. Then जो third 0 था in input, it will come here. Then after that this 0 will come here. Then 1 will come here. Then 0 यहाँ आ गया. Then this one 1 come here, and then 0, last one 0 will come here. ठीक है. After that these two blocks are empty. ये दो ब्लॉक छूट जाएंगे. तो here you have to fill zeros only. सिर्फ 0 भरने, 1 मत भरना. तो 0 भरे तो रिजल्ट क्या आ गया. जब आपके पास इनपुट 10 था तो you will get result 2 की पावर 0, 2 की पावर 1, 2 की पावर 2, 2 की पावर 3. 2 की पावर 3 means 8. 2 की पावर 4, 2 की पावर 5. 2 की पावर 5 means 32. 32 plus 8, that means 40. Check with the help of software. A equals to 10. If you are having A equals to 10 as an input, then A left shift 2. Answer is 40. It is clear with the help of diagram? Please reply. ये लेफ्ट साइड से 2
Yes,
बिट,
sir.
लेफ्ट साइड से 2
Yes,
बिट
sir.
शिफ्ट, हाँ 2 बिट शिफ्ट हुए हमारे. तो राइट साइड में जो 2 ब्लॉक्स थे वो एम्प्टी हो गए. यहाँ पर तो आप ऐड कर लोगे. सिमिलरली राइट शिफ्ट में क्या होगा, इधर राइट साइड से मूव करेंगे. देखो राइट साइड पे 2 ब्लॉक जो है वो इधर चले जाएंगे. आफ्टर दैट बाकी सब हो गए और इधर को आप 2 0 ऐड कर लोगे. तो आंसर क्या आएगा. A equals to 10. If you are having A equals to 10, then A right shift 2. Result is only 2. See here, only this is left. Remain all are 0. ये देखो सब 0 है, बाकी सब 0 है. तो 2 की पावर 0 and 2 की पावर 1. 2 की पावर 1 means 2. 2 की पावर 1 means 2. समझ में आया? Is it clear? Please reply. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is membership operator. Membership operators are useful to test for membership in a sequence such as string, list, tuples, and dictionary. I will explain what is list, tuple, and dictionary tomorrow. Huh? This is a part of a data type. So I will explain tomorrow these topics: list, tuples, and dictionary. Don't worry about this. But membership operator work only in these type of operators, in this type of data types, like string type of value, list type of value, tuple type of value, and dictionary types of value. It will check, it will test for a member. Member means if you are giving a string like this, देखो str1 equals to welcome to Greeky shows. Welcome to Greeky shows. This is given in the double quotation mark. That means it is a string type of value. Now, after that, you have to write TO2. This 2 is a part of main string. This 2 is a part of this main string in st1. That means I am asking that, we are asking that this 2 is present in the string 1. If it is present, then it will give answer true. If it not present, then it will give answer false. Like this. st2 equals to welcome top Greeky shows. Again I am asking for TO2 in str2. Then it gives true. But here,
True.
here टॉप इज रिटन, देखो इंस्टेड ऑफ 2 क्या लिखा है, टॉप इज रिटन, बट उसे क्या मिला, TO2 इन अ सीक्वेंस मैनर। देखो ये 2 है, ये तो सीक्वेंस में मिला, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट इट इज प्रेजेंट इन द स्ट्रिंग, दैट्स व्हाई इट गिव ट्रू। देन थर्ड वन, str3 welcome to Greekiso and we want to search subs, this is the substring, check it, it is present in the main string। देखो subs कहीं प्रेजेंट है, subs
false,
नहीं है, तो इट विल गिव फॉल्स। तो इन मीन्स ये चेक कर रहा है कि ये सब स्ट्रिंग मेन स्ट्रिंग में है या नहीं है, सीक्वेंस ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स ओनली, सीक्वेंस, ये नहीं कि एस भी है सर, यू भी है, बी भी है, एस भी है, बट डिफरेंट मैनर में, सीक्वेंस में नहीं है, तो ऐसा चेक नहीं रहा, ये सीक्वेंस में चेक करेगा। एंड लास्ट वन, हियर आस्क योर क्वेश्चन।
Sir, in string first, if we ask come to, it will give answer true or false. Come to.
Come to, where come? अच्छा come,
Sir,
ये
that-
and then space. If you provide space after that come, then it is true.
Okay.
Clear? Now next one is not in. See here, this operator works in reverse manners for in operator, it is reverse of in operator। देखो welcome in Greekiso, subs, if subs is not present in str1 then only it will give true, otherwise it will give false। now see here, to2 2 is present in the main string, but here operator is written not in, so according to that it will print false। now it is clear? Any confusion?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion, please ask, that related to that in or not in? In or not in both are part of membership operator। मेंबरशिप मतलब ये मेंबर है कि नहीं है, मेन स्ट्रिंग के मेंबर है कि नहीं है। मेंबर का मतलब क्या हुआ, वो उसमें प्रेजेंट है या नहीं है, प्रेजेंट है दैट मींस ट्रू, और प्रेजेंट नहीं है तो फॉल्स। दिस इज ओनली फॉर इन, और नॉट इन में इसका रिवर्स हो जाएगा। क्लियर?
yes sir,
नेक्स्ट इज आइडेंटिटी ऑपरेटर। द आइडेंटिटी ऑपरेटर compares the memory location of two objects, hence it is possible to know whether two objects are same or not। आइडेंटिटी चेक कर रहे हैं उसकी कि both the operands or both the objects are same or not, according to this is or no is not। see here, if I am having a equals to 10 and b is equals to also 10, then a is b, then it return 2। कैसे? see here, first time the a equals to 10, a equals to 10, now check its identity, means id means address, memory address of a is like this, then I am writing b equals to 10 and give its id like this। now both the ids are same, see ids 18513844736, similarly 18513844736, both the ids are same। now I am writing a is b, so it gives true because both the locations are same, both are indicating to this number 10, क्योंकि a भी 10 को इंडिकेट कर रहा है, b भी 10 को इंडिकेट कर रहा है, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस both are true, तो रिजल्ट इज ट्रू। see here, a is 10, b is also 10, तो इसको पॉइंट कर रहा है, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस दिस इज ट्रू। और इफ यू आर राइटिंग लाइक दिस, डोंट सिंग अ सॉन्ग, a equals to 10 and b equals to 10, look here, a equals to 10, this 10 is in integer, but second one 10 given inside the quotes, that means it acts as a string।
string value,
string value। now check its ids, ID of first one A is like this, but the ID of second one B, both the IDs are different. Look here, both the IDs are different. So A is B. Look here, according to this, it will false because IDs are not matched. So means both the values are pointing to different location. So according to this, it is false. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Next, no is not. Is not is the reverse of is operator. जहां पर ट्रू आ रहा था वो फॉल्स हो जाएगा, जहां फॉल्स आ रहा था वो ट्रू हो जाएगा. देखो a equals to 10, b equals to 10, a is not b. According to this, is false. a equals to 10, b equals to 10, a is not b. It is true. उसका रिवर्स हो जाएगा और कुछ नहीं है. देखो a equals to 10 and b equals to in a string 10. Now a is not b. Result is true. इससे पहले वाले में ये क्या आ रहा था, फॉल्स आ रहा था. अब नाउ इट इज ट्रू. ठीक है. और इफ यू आर हैविंग a equals to 10 and b equals to also 10 and a is not b, result is false. पहले ये ट्रू था, देखो now it is false. Clear? This topic is clear? Please
Yes, sir.
now
Yes, sir.
very good.
Yes, sir.
Now we have completed all the types of operators like arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, bitwise operator, membership operator or identity operator. These many topics we have discussed today only. ठीक है, ये मैंने कर दिए हैं, आप लोग ने भी समझ लिए हैं.